Hi guys, today we received a package from Super Toys Universe. They sent me this package. We won it, we won this package in a contest.
If you win and who failed must be.
We're so happy. Let's see what's inside.
A package.
Yeah.
First we're going to look at this letter.
Yes, first we're going to look at this letter that is sad.
Look at the sticker that's frozen.
We're going to read the Dear Anna, thank you to entering our giveaway. We hope you enjoy your prize. Love, Super Toys Universe.
Even got candy.
Yeah.
Let's see what the candy door is.
They send this candy.
My favorite is the lemon. Next we're gonna.
And this is a Mochi monster. Mochi. This is a Mochi monster. Clay and body. It's like an activity book.
We got lots of different colors.
Yes, activity book.
I hope I get the kayak.
This is a plastilina. White plastilina.
Rubber. I'm having this in my mind. I'm right. It's a kitty. I really want it.
And
Investable.
our second package is from Toy Collector Fan. And this is it.
I hope it's a Martian.
We'll see.
I hope it.
You think so? It's a Martian?
Yes, yes, yes.
With a little card that said, "Congrats on winning. We hope you enjoy your fashion." Toy collector's fan. Let's open here.
Another Twilight?
Yeah, you have double.
Wait. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Toy Collector Fan, for sending this Twilight.
Wait, the different Twilight. It don't have wings. It don't. The other one do have wings.
Yeah.
Because I find the other one there in my toys.
Annalie loves Martian.
I got a little pet of Martian. It's very squishy.
It's squishy. That's squishy. And okay, we open today two packages. One for Super Toys Universe and one for Toys Collector Fan. Thank you so much.
Can we make it